Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your hedge fund headlines. Today is Thursday, February 12, 2009. Some 13 of the world's biggest buyout groups have signed up on the United Nations Charter of Principles for Responsible Investment. According to the Financial Times, the groups come under the umbrella of the Private Equity Council, a Washington-based body recently formed. The principles, covering environmental, health, safety, labor, governance, and social issues, were drafted by some of the world's largest institutional investors. And staying with hedge fund news, the Ontario Securities Commission has launched a focused and detailed compliance review of hedge funds in the province. According to financialpost.com, the probe will include gathering information from hedge fund managers on their operations and if they invested in any of Bernard Madoff's funds. The OSC has asked for specific information by February 20th, including details about hedge fund service providers covering auditors, prime brokers, and administrators. And in more hedge fund news, Pinova Capital, a Munich-based private equity firm, has held the first closing on its debut fund of €50 million. According to Alt Assets, Pinova Fund 1 already has €96 million in commitments and is close to its final target of €150 million. Investors in the fund include Commerce Bank, the European Investment Fund, BIP Investment Partners, and KfW Banken Group. And in other hedge fund news, HG Capital, the mid-market buyout group, is dissolving its weak consumer and leisure team and shutting down its Amsterdam office. According to the Financial Times, about 4 people, including Richard Matthews, head of its leisure and consumer team, will leave the firm, which will have 45 professionals in 2 offices, London and Munich. The group will transfer some of its Amsterdam-based consumer and leisure team to its 4 other areas: technology, media and telecoms, healthcare, services, and industrials. And that rounds out today's hedge fund headlines. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our asset management channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.